In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Shopify SEO. 5 minutes, we're going to focus on a single high impact action, optimizing your homepage title. This is the line that shows up as the blue clickable headline in search results, and it strongly influences whether people decide to visit your store. It also helps search engines understand what your business is about. In just a few minutes, you'll know exactly where to change it in Shopify and how to write a title that's clear, compelling, and built for search. First, open Shopify in your browser and head into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. Find and click Online Store. This area controls what shoppers see on your site and holds the key settings that affect how your store appears in search. Within Online Store, select Preferences. This brings you to a page with important visibility controls for your homepage, including the field we're working on today, the homepage title. Think of this as your storefront sign for search engines and first-time visitors. Click into the homepage title field and craft a concise, keyword-focused line. Aim to keep it under 60 characters to reduce the chance of it getting cut off in search results. Lead with your primary keyword or product category, add a clear value point, and if space allows, include your brand name at the end. For example, a title like eco-friendly yoga mats, durable, non-slip, puts the main keyword first, adds a benefit, and stays readable. You can also use separators like a vertical bar or a dash to keep things tidy. A few quick writing tips to get this right. Be specific about what you sell, avoid vague phrases like best products ever, and don't stuff in a list of keywords. Write for humans first, clarity beats gimmicks every time. If you serve a specific location, a short location mention can help, as long as it still reads naturally. Keep capitalization clean and consistent, and skip unnecessary punctuation or symbols that can look spammy. As you finalize your title, reread it out loud. Does it communicate what you offer and why someone should click? If yes, and it fits within that 60 character guideline, you've just given your Shopify SEO a meaningful boost. That's it. You went to Shopify, opened Online Store, navigated to Preferences, and optimized your homepage title. Small change, big impact. Thanks for watching, and keep refining your store one smart step at a time.